SWOT analysis isn't just for businesses, it's a game-changing tool for personal growth. In this video, we'll explore how to use SWOT to design your own development plan, set meaningful goals, and create a roadmap to become your best self, professionally and personally. Start with strengths. What do you naturally do well? These could be technical skills, interpersonal abilities, or character traits like resilience or empathy. Ask, where have I been consistently successful? What do people often praise me for? Reflect on feedback, performance reviews, and past wins. These strengths are the foundation of your confidence and the fuel for your growth. Now, look at weaknesses. This part takes honesty. What habits hold you back? Where do you struggle or avoid accountability? These might be gaps in knowledge, recurring patterns, or emotional triggers. Weaknesses aren't personal failures, they're growth points. Identifying them helps you set goals that matter. If you struggle with delegation, maybe it's time to develop leadership skills. If you're always rushing deadlines, focus on time management. Next, shift to opportunities. These are external conditions you can take advantage of. Maybe your company is launching a new project that aligns with your skills. Maybe there's a mentor offering support, a certification you can earn, or a job market trend in your favor. Think about what's around you, not just what's within you. The world is full of ways to grow, if you're looking. And don't forget the threats. These are the external factors that could derail your progress. It might be industry shifts, company instability, financial pressure, or burnout. Maybe it's something more subtle, like being in a role that limits your creativity. Threats are real, but planning for them is empowering. What can you do now to stay resilient? Once your personal SWOT is mapped, turn it into a plan. Take each quadrant and list 1 to 2 actions. How will you double down on your strengths? How will you improve one weakness in the next 90 days? What opportunity will you pursue before the quarter ends? What threat needs a backup plan? Use this SWOT framework during career transitions, goal-setting sessions, or performance reviews. It gives clarity, it creates direction, it turns vague ambition into focused momentum. Most importantly, revisit it. You evolve, so should your SWOT. Update it quarterly, celebrate progress, reset where needed. This keeps you grounded and growing. Personal growth isn't about perfection, it's about awareness and action. SWOT gives you both.